Hi Doodle lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you these puppies, which are, they will be 2 weeks old on Monday. So, let's see, today is Friday. So they are so chunky and cute. Their eyes are just starting to open. I did see one eye this morning, just a little glimmer, but the rest are just starting to get dark. I don't actually see any eyes yet. Another thing I wanted to show you today was what I do with my puppies at this age. So I do what's called ENS, or early neurological stimulation, and that's where I put the puppies in a couple different positions so that they have a slightly stressful situation, but they learn to recover from it. So yeah, I think I'm going to show you. This is Rainier, and he is so cute and chunky. He is the latest puppy. He's got a white star and a couple white toes, and then a large white patch on his chest. But since he's so late, I'm not sure if they might just blend back into his coat. So the first thing we do is I just hold him like this, and I do each of these positions for 5 seconds. And then I do on the back. All right, good boy. As you can see, they don't really like it, but it's good for them. So. Next, we do the comb. And then the ice pack. Alright, good boy. The ice pack they hate, so he did good with that. And then I'm just going to sort of mess with their ears. Go over their head, helping them not to be head shy, mess with their paws. They have had one nail clipping, but they're definitely due for another, so I'll probably get that done today too. And then most importantly, work on their tail, because dogs don't like their tail messed with, and so this really helps with that. Good boy. Alright, so I'm just going to get the rest of these done. I do this once every day. So yeah, while I'm at it, I will introduce them. This is Blanc. She is a female. This is Rosa. Sinai. All the Merles except for this one here, this is a boy, are girls. And he has already spoken for us. So. No boy Merles are available. This is Helen. As you can tell, they're all named after mountains. This is the mountain litter. If you go on my website, which is just prairiegracefarm.com, there's more pictures and an explanation of each puppy. This is Denali, and she has the most gorgeous coat color. I love her. She is so cute. Then this is Everest, and he is a boy, and he has the most darling little white toes, and he has a white patch on his chest too. It's sort of hard to show. There we go. And he has a little white beard. He is very cute. Then this is Kilimanjaro, but we just call him Kiwi. And I don't think he has any white markings. He's just solid. And then this is Vesuvius, and he doesn't have any markings either, I don't think. But he is a pretty dark brown. He's one of the darkest puppies we've had. Then this is Rainier, as I already said. And he is the lightest of all of them. And he's got this beautiful marbled coat. So that's all of them. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do all the EMS with them, and then I need to get nail clippings done.